All right, so we want, on this question, we have a system of equations. And we want to know which of this system of the equation is represented by this graph. Honestly, all we really need to do is write our equations for each graph. If I look at this, I'll call this one our equation 1. So I'll call this f of x, and I'll call this one g of x. F of x has a y-intercept of -4 and has a slope of, let's see, I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So -6 and a run of 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be -6 over 3, which gives me -2. So our equation for that is going to be y is equal to -2 x minus 4. If I look at these, so f does not have -2x minus 4. G does not have -2x minus 4. It has 2x minus 4, but it's negative. We have a negative slope. H, we have -2x minus 2. J, we have -2x minus 4. Just by process of elimination, that has to be our answer choice. If we're unsure, we can go ahead and do the same thing that we did with our other equation. So I can look for g of x. G of x has a y-intercept of +4. And it has a slope of 1, 2, 1, 2, and it has a slope of +1. So our equation for that one's going to be x plus 4, which is our second equation. So we have written that equation. Question 51. Customer, we're doing the same thing as before, but we're just reading the question now and we're writing each equation for each question. So customer paid $64 for 3 large candles and 4 small candles. So 64 is equal to 3x plus 4y. We'll call candles x, and we'll call the small ones, the large ones, y. At the same store, a customer paid $4 more than the first customer for 1 large candle. Okay, so let's talk about how we're going to work this through. So that's going to be 8 small candles. So that's going to be 54 plus 4 is equal to 3x plus 8y. So that becomes 68. Hold on. Our first equation is 64. It's equal to 3x plus 4y, which that matches that equation here, matches that equation there. Then we have 68, because 4 plus 64, that's going to be equal to 1 large candle, which is x, plus 8 small candles, which we said was y. So then that gives us our answer choice for C. And that's how we work that through. So there we go. Next question. So we just need to write our equations for each one. Each of these are in standard form. So my first one, line Q, has a slope. Let's see, what's our slope? We need to figure out our slope. And our y-intercept is when x is equal to 0. So we don't really know on line Q what our y-intercept is. We know what our x-intercept is, which technically we could talk about that, but let's go ahead and find slope. So -9 plus 6. So we're adding, to go from here to there, we're adding 6 here to there, we're adding 18. So this, our slope, is going to be 18 divided by 6, which is going to give us positive 3. So this is going to be y is equal to 3x plus b. I'm going to use this point. So 0 is equal to 3 times negative 9 plus b. 3 times negative 9 is going to give me negative 27. So b is equal to positive 27. So our equation is going to be y is equal to 3x plus 27. Now, all of these are in standard form, so that means I need to move the 3x over. So this becomes negative 3x plus y is equal to 27. Standard form says that the x has to be positive, so all my signs are going to switch. So the only one that has that as its equation is G. So really I don't even have to continue. I am done. I will go over this next question in the next video because again,